Let's unboxing with me. I am too much excited. Wow! Charged with iPad. Love. Too much smooth. It's amazing. I am happy. Follow for more.